Hey loves, it's vikishub-diys here. So today is gonna be another review video as usual. So you guys already know why I make review videos, especially on mostly on the DIY items I've done in the past. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I did make these from this and from this, and this is what it looks like today. Alright. So this is basically Vicky's Hub abbreviation. I thought it was cool. So I'm gonna try on and show you guys anyway, but there's nothing much to say about this, like bad wise. There's nothing much to say about this because I use the acrylic color, and when I clean with water it doesn't necessarily go off, which is usually how acrylic colors behave anyway. So when you use acrylic colors and leave it for a long time to just set in, it doesn't clean or go off. So yeah, basically it's the same other than it's older, right? So it looks worn out a little bit more, and yeah, I'm just gonna put it on anyway and show you guys.